very nice and beautiful model car. Water tanker. See this fire. This is a red and black color combination. Realistic. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel with a new video, friends. Today I'm in a beautiful place. See, this is very nice and beautiful place beside a canal. So friends, today here is a new bucket, and now I will collect this bucket and I will also collect some toy vehicles and introduce with you in this place. So wasting any more time, let's go. First one. Wow, friends, first one is here. Wow, this is a helicopter. See, this is very nice plastic toy realistic model fire helicopter. Oh, this is a realistic model, red black color combination, this helicopter. So I collect this one at my bucket. And next one, wow, here is the next one is mini captain jeep. See, this is very nice realistic model four-wheeler mini captain jeep. Is a gray, black and white color combination. What is this one? Oh, this is a water tanker. See this fire service water tanker. This is very nice 8-wheeler metal body water tanker. Oh, here is one more fire service vehicle. You can see this is very nice and beautiful model, this plastic toy. This is a fire rescue team lorry. Wow, so I collect this one my bucket. And next one, oh friends, see this 6-wheeler police jeep. Is very nice and beautiful model, white and black color combination, this jeep. Oh, this is a helicopter on the tree. See, this is very nice and beautiful model cartoony helicopter. This is pink and purple color combination. So friends, see. Wow, this is very nice. Oh, here is a taxi car. See, this taxi car is very nice and beautiful cartoony model taxi car. This is pink and yellow color combination. So friends, you can see here is many toy vehicles I collect and introduced with you. So let's go more one. Oh, here is a more one police car. See, this is very nice and beautiful model plastic police car. This is a blue and black color combination, this car. Wow, friends, one more on the tree. This is R17 high-speed bike. See this bike, this is a red and black color combination, realistic model plastic toy. Oh, friend, this is a DS Tarjan car. See this DS Tarjan car. This is very nice and beautiful model, pink, yellow and black color combination. This DS Tarjan car. What is this here in the jungle? Oh, this is a cartoony car. See this cartoony car. This is a red, black and yellow color combination, this car. So I collect this cartoony model car in my bucket. Wow, here is a sports car. This is very nice red, black and blue color combination sports car. See? Wow. What is this in the jungle? Yes, this is a funny toy, cartoony elephant car. This is pink and purple color combination this car. So friends, I collect this one at my bucket here. And next one, wow, next one is here. A police bike with a police. See, this is a yellow, red and pink color combination. This vehicle is very nice. Oh, here is a runner car. See friend, this is very nice runner car. This is a paste and black color combination this car. And this is the last one on the tree. Wow, this is two combination lorry. Here is a Feluda with power backhoe. See, this is a red, yellow and black color combination this lorry. So I also collect this one at my bucket here. So friends, you can see my bucket is fulfilled with many toy vehicles, and you also see all of these toy vehicles one by one collect and introduced with you. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you will subscribe our channel.